Welcome to Bayfield's Training Excel Tips videos. Let's find out how to use the XLOOKUP function to find data in Excel. The XLOOKUP function is the next generation lookup function in Excel that has the functionality of both the VLOOKUP function as well as the HLOOKUP function without the limitations. It performs either a vertical lookup or horizontal lookup by searching for a value in a row or column of a table and returning a corresponding value in a table. Let's look at an example for better understanding. The table here shows the estimated market size in 2021 and 2022. We can use XLOOKUP to know the estimated market size of a particular country in 2022, say Italy. To get started, select a cell, type equals XLOOKUP open brackets. Select the lookup value. In this case, it's Italy. Type comma. Select the table range that can contain the lookup array, for instance, the first column. Type comma. Select the table range that can contain the return array, for instance, the third column. Close brackets. Press enter. Now, try it out by replacing Italy with any other country from the table, for example, Canada. And voila! We found the piece of data we were looking for. Happy learning! Follow us on our social media platforms to learn more about our Excel tips. And for more information about our executive education courses, visit our website www.bayfieldtraining.com.